Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic Technics SU-R1000 stereo integrated amplifier and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If your amplifier is not working or if it's having sound issues, it's not connecting to something, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. The second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you're just trying to get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box so you can set it up new. We can go ahead and do this. It's really easy to do. We're going to need to have it on and we're going to keep an eye on this display here, but we're actually going to do this via the controller. So basically on the controller we're going to hit the setup button to open the setup menu, and then we're just going to use these arrows to toggle up and down through the options and then hit OK to select when we're ready. So we're going to hit that setup menu and then we're just going to toggle until it says initialization here. Initialization. Once we do that, we're going to hit the OK button on the controller, and then we're going to use the arrows to toggle to yes to confirm it and hit the OK button again, and then it'll go back to its factory defaults, and then you just need to wipe the memory, so you'll just confirm that with it by toggling to yes again, hitting OK, and everything will be wiped off of it, and you can go ahead and set it up as a new device.